Yes, that's a great game to play with shapes, colors, numbers, and alphabet too. When we travel, it's fun to see how many shapes we can find.
Stop! I see another shape. It's right there on the stop sign. Sure it is. That's Oscar Octagon.
My name is Oscar the Octagon. I have 8 sides and there's so much fun. I can roll and I can tumble, I can jump and hop. When I get too tired, I can just say stop. You might see me on the playground and in the hall. You